It's me Jimmy. So here is the iPad case review. Yes, you heard me right. The iPad case review. This is the flip case for the iPad Air 3. Let me put inside. Okay, we put like this. It fits lovely inside, and we put like this and like this. So yeah, wow. I mean, this case is really very beautiful. To be honest with you, open. Wow. The good thing is that you can use the old way like this. Okay, but it's not so stable, gonna fall down. But the new way is like this, you see. Wow, now look better. So yeah, this was the iPad Air 3. Literally you can't find anything better than the iPad Air 3. So this case I really love it. This is a must buy case, a must buy case. It was me, none other than Jimmy Aggie. Subscribe and bye.